Alright, how y'all doing? This is the Books and BC Cooking Show. And today we're going to teach you how to cook Velveeta mac and cheese.
With a twist.
With a twist. And 2 fried eggs. Alright?
With a twist.
So for my eggs, first I'm going to spray some extra virgin olive oil cooking spray on the pan.
Trash. Anyway, so I'm making my twist on Velveeta mac and cheese. I'm gonna put a little broccoli in it. You know, eat your vegetables, kids. And so if we got the water boiling, oh my god, it's on medium. Well, I like to do a little bit of medium high. At least close to medium high, so it boil a little bit faster.
Now I'm about to take the eggs, crack them on the side, split them, bam, cook it. You see that? You see that egg thing right there? Right there. Crack it, cook it, bam, right there, just like that, you know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna add a little broccoli to my mac and cheese, you know, little vegetables or whatever. I'm gonna defrost it in the microwave real quick, and then we're gonna get it popping.
Yeah. Where's the spatula?
I got you, dog. It's right here. Boom.
We gotta add lemon pepper, salt to the
I ain't never seen no lemon pepper
eggs.
in no eggs, but all right. Brand new. Whoa, that's a lot.
No way. Add that.
Okay, you gonna be choked.
Look, we gonna cook. Look, now you gotta take the spatula. You gotta cut the egg. You know what I'm saying?
You know I'm about to cut the egg.
Cut the egg. You gotta cut the egg. Cut the egg. Flip it. Bam. Look at that. Look, golden brown. Look at that.
Gang. Oh.
Golden brown. All right.
Throw the meat. So now that our broccoli's done, it's defrosted. We're gonna take it out. I'm gonna chop it up a little bit in a minute. That,
Eggs done.
you like it runny in the middle?
Hell
Man,
yeah.
that's the best kind.
You can say that. Alright, so our little Velveeta mac and cheese. It came from the cup, but I try to put it in a little bowl, make it fancy. We're gonna throw that in the water with a little seasoning. Let it boil up real quick and whatnot. Alright, come back to me.
Take a look. All you need is crushed red peppers and black pepper.
Hold on, I gotta practice.
Bam. Put the crushed red peppers on there. Take the pepper. Bam. Done. Look at that. Look at that. Clean fried eggs from the south by your boy BC. Don't mess with me.
Alright, we're gonna cut these up. You wanna cut them up. You wanna cut them up pretty fine, so you know they don't. It's not no big bites in your macaroni and whatnot. Alright, you can stop. You're gonna stir your pasta occasionally. He didn't tell me so. Lord Jesus. Alright, so you're gonna stir it occasionally. Every once in a while. Wait till it gets to that consistency. It's not yet. It's not there yet. We're back on the heat. Stir that whole up.
So now we're gonna let the judge test our food. We have Parker over here. So she gonna try the mac and cheese first.
Hey, it's my mac and cheese.
You don't got a spoon. I like the seasoning y'all added, and the broccoli was a good touch. It was really cheesy. You put some extra seasoning on this? I taste that.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Oh, alright. This has been College Cooking Challenge. And this is your boy BC, you know, man on the eggs, all that. I really don't know what else to say. So pass it over to my girl Poops, and she gonna tell the rest.
So tonight we displayed a little bit of, you know, some broke college student cooking. You know, we appreciate you for watching and whatnot.
What's up?
Shut up. Anyway, so you know, just how, you know, if you in a house or you in your dorm, you know, you can whip up a little something smackable. It gonna hit for the night. You get your protein and whatnot, but that's all you need. Thank you for watching. Shut up.